Welcome to the Roterunner Purpose Planner, a unique notebook created to support and empower you to be a more organized, balanced, and complete version of yourself. As a numbered notebook, a blank index is provided to capture note topics and their corresponding page numbers. Setting up the planner begins by taking stock of who you are and what you want out of the next 6 months. Creating a role for the different streams of your life and why they're important to you, setting measurable goals for each role and key action steps will provide clarity and purpose when it comes to managing your time and priorities in the weeks ahead. Use the bucket list template to think through and set out exciting plans that will make the next 6 months more meaningful and rewarding. Plan a reading list and capture key ideas from the books you read in the book notes section. An annual overview spread offers space to note down birthdays, public holidays, travel plans, and key events in the year ahead. As a non-dated 6-month planner, each month begins by setting out the name of the month. Fill in the dates and set out your travel plans, activities, and meetings in the monthly calendar. 6 goal-setting quadrants capture the big projects and priorities across your work, home, relationships, passion projects, fun, and health. Use the reflection section at any point in the month to log your progress, capture memories, note your insights, state your affirmations, and remind yourself of how strong and capable you really are. Each month has 5 non-dated weekly dashboards designed to be your activity GPS for the week. Fill in the dates and use the daily calendar columns to time block key tasks and capture your meetings and activities for that week. Setting out your weekly priorities in each of the 4 task quadrants avoids scattered daily to-do lists and strategically sets out what needs to be done holistically across your life. Track your actions using the blank circles provided. If you don't get around to completing a task, simply migrate it to the next week and keep holding yourself accountable in this way until it gets done. Being mindful of water and food intake, logging your daily step count, setting out your fitness plans, tracking daily habits, logging sleep patterns, and setting out a not-to-do list are all great disciplines to stay on top of the little things. These are the things that help us grow and become more productive, healthier versions of ourselves. Each weekly spread is followed up with 2 numbered blank pages to capture your free-form notes or designs for that week. We have provided a self-care checklist on the last page of the Purpose Planner to challenge yourself on what's most important and to always care for yourself first. In the end, we each have a unique path to follow, where our success and happiness is determined by our choices and actions. The Roterunner Purpose Planner is a simple but powerful tool that empowers you to proactively take control of the choices that help you grow and succeed in whatever you set out to achieve. But above all, to be the best version of yourself.